array. It's a what by what?
3 by 5.
3 by 5. So it is a 3 by 5. I want you to tell me what would 1/5 of this array be? How many would 1/5 be?
3, 5.
Okay, I hear 3 and I hear 5. 1/5 means I've got to split it into what?
5.
5.
Third.
No, that doesn't make sense.
5.
Okay, time out. Listen to what you're saying. I need a 1/5. That means I'm going to take the whole and split it into 5 parts. Who said it? 5 parts. Say it loudly. If you have a 1/5, you're splitting the whole into 5 parts. When I look up here, how can I split that into 5 even parts? Oh,
But isn't it already 5 times 3?
it's what?
Isn't it already 5 times 3? So if you divide
Do you already see 5 parts?
Yes.
Okay. So I can say, here's a part, here's a part, here's a part, here's a part, here's a part. How many parts?
5.
That means this would be a 1/5, 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 this would be a 1/5. 5/5 equals what?
One
One whole, the whole thing. So if I want to know how much is in 1/5, I split the whole into 5 parts. And in this case, 1/5 has how many? 3. So for this, 1/5 would equal 3. Okay? Now, if I wanted to split, I'm going to just draw it over. This time, if I wanted to split it into thirds, and I said, how much is 1/3? 1/3 equals how many?
5.
It equals 5 because you have to split it into
3 parts.
3 equal parts. Good. So if I split this into 3 equal parts, I can split it like this. This is a third, this is a third, this is a third, and the whole thing equals 1 whole because 3/3 equals a whole. And in 1/3, I've got 5. Okay? Now I want to ask you a question. I want you to tell me, I'll draw it again for you so we got it nice and clean. One, two, three, four, 5. Okay. I want you this time to tell me how much 6/15 would equal how many fifths? Okay, I don't shout it out. Think. 6/15. Your ambassador. You can. Yeah. Go ahead and go. 6. Just set it right there. Drop it off, and you can go.
Just close the door.
Okay. Back up here. 6/15. Don't say it. Equals how many fifths?
2.
So if I look at 6/15, there's 15 total, right? So if I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6/15. When I look over here at fifths, how many 15ths were in the fifth? 2 fifths was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 15ths. So 6/15 equals
2.
2 fifths. This is how I can see on a model 6/15 right here is the same thing as 2 fifths. How could you show me with math that 6/15 equals 2 fifths?
You could
Oh, no.
do 15 divided by 5, which would be 3.
Do what?
15 divided by the denominator of 5. 15 divided by 3.
Divided by 3, because you're trying to get to fifth, and whatever you do to the denominator,
It's the same time.
you do to the numerator. So 6 divided by 3 would be
2.
2. So 6/15 equals
5.
2 fifths. So that's how you would show it with a math. Is there a question?
I was just going to say it's not equal to
Oh, that's true. When we're talking about fractions, we use the term equivalent. They are equal, but they're equivalent. Okay. I want us to look at this paper. You can stop for